Hey guys, Chris, the Late Night Lockpicker. Got another challenge lock video for you. This time it is on this one of my first ovals. This is a Union, and it's a challenge lock pinned up by Daz Evers. He calls it Canadian Rockies. So this is a beautiful Union oval. My first one of my first ones I ever got. He sent me two of them, and I got a oval Asa that I want to be picking here soon as well. First attempt on this lock, and I got a 50 thousandths pry bar that I banana bent, and I've got a whole slew of picks down here from my various kits that I'm going to attempt to pick my way into this thing. So, oh, didn't even check that actually. Let's see. Should check that before I start. It is a, it is a 6-pin. That's good to know. Maybe I should have. Good thing I checked that. So, top of the keyway, and move this out of the way, straight to the back. Gotta click on 6, click on 5, 4, had some counter rotation on 4, I believe that was. See if I can zoom in a bit more for you guys. And let's see here. Something a bit deeper and thinner. 15 thousandths to 4s from my Praxis kit. There we go. Click on 2. 3 is bound. Click on 3. Another click on 2. Another one. Bump on the tripod, sorry about that. And there's a click off 1, that was right there for sure. 2, put me into a deep, not deep, but put me into a false set for sure. Let's go through, hung up on a spool or a T-pin. Counter off of 3. I'm going to see if I can get something a little bit thicker in there. Let's see here. I think it's 2. Keep slipping off them. Just going to double check everything before I try and force number 2 up. I got him but dropped something. I think that was number 2 I just set. But I dropped something. Lost my false set. I'm going to check number 1. Number 1, open. So there we go. That is Canadian Rockies by Daz Evers. Clean up this mess and see if we can get it open. And let me tell you, my adrenaline is flowing. I don't know if I'm shaking or not, but that was awesome. That's a major counter rotation. And lost my false set, but we got it. 5 minutes. That's just turned 6 minutes on my camera right now, and I wasn't picking as soon as I turned the camera on, so I'm pretty excited. It's maybe I'm getting better at picking, but that was a great fun, Daz. Thank you very much, sir. Now let's see if we can get into this bad boy. The key is mummied. I am going to demummy it. Wow, there we go. Check out that bitting, you guys. That there is a challenge lock. And I see where he got the name, Canadian Rockies. That's awesome. So, I don't know, do I dare lock it up? You can see it is unlocked. You know what, I am going to lock it. I don't know if I should or not, but I trust that the key works beautifully, and it does. Thank goodness. I don't want to have to shut the video off and start over again. I'm pretty happy with that time. Get off there. Need to get me one of those fancy clip removal tools from the Huck lock disassembly kit. I think it would come in handy. I am going to shim this just because I am not sure about anything inside of it. This is my first oval, so I've never disassembled one of these before. And I've bent my shim. There, all the way through. Plug follower. We'll put it in like so. There we are. See all the key pins that are in and working. And it wasn't a 6-pin, it was only 5. So one of those must be the anti-drill pin. Never thought about that. You can see 5 was a overset trap. So let's see here. 1 is standard. 2 is reduced diameter on the top, and it looks like number 1 maybe. 3 is a kind of a serrated, there's a single serration and reduced diameter. 4 is the same thing, single serration. And 5 is a very long, a very long spool with serrations, so serrated spool, long one. And in the Bible, we have, I don't know if that's, looks like factory countermilling or undercutting. We call it countermilling, I guess. And 1, 2, and 3. 4 is slightly threaded. And 5 is again that factory countermilling, I would call it. And take a look up top and see what we got going on. I grabbed the wrong follower. I do not like this one. Once again, take the shim out. It might help. There we go. There we go. I got a serrated and a copper spring. Deep spool with reduced diameter that I'm guessing went that way. I want to see if I can zoom out some. There we go. Might make this a bit easier for you guys to see anyways. Steel spring, long one. We got standard with a copper spring. Let's go from the back side now, shall we? Okay, so that is the 6 hole. Nothing, so it was a 6, might be a, I'm not sure what that is. It's a 6-pin body, but a 5-pin core. Maybe that had to do with the other half of the cylinder. I'm not sure. So we got a standard and a long steel spring. Oh, never mind, that was wrong. That goes there, and that goes there. And I did not see what way that went, unfortunately. But we got another long spool. I'm assuming reduced diameter went down like that, maybe. Daz, you're gonna have to let me know. I apologize for that. I lost track of everything. So there we go. That's that. Look inside the Bible. There's nothing inside, just stock. There's no way you can get those caps out unless you wanna. I'm sure there's a way, but he didn't, so there we go. There, that's Canadian Rockies by Daz Evers. There's some nice looking pins. Let's see here. So we got a reduced diameter with a serrated copper spring. We have a reduced diameter on the top of that key pin to a spool and long steel. Reduced diameter, almost T-pinish, not quite, with a serration, standard copper spring. Then we have another serrated, single serration on that key pin, deep spool, little short copper spring. Number 5, we have the very long serrated spool key pin, standard driver, and a long steel spring. So there we go. That was my first ever oval picked open, first union, and my first challenge lock from Daz Evers that I've picked. Thank you very much, Daz, for the locks. Thank you everyone for joining me. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. And until next time, stay safe, have fun. Bye.